हेलो एंड वेलकम फ्रेंड्स टू ज्ञान गंगा क्लासेस। और आज हम लेकर के आए हैं आपके लिए क्लास 6 साइंस का चैप्टर नंबर 9 बॉडी मूवमेंट्स का रिवीजन एक्सरसाइज एंड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। और हम करेंगे इसके सारे कंसेप्ट को रिवाइज। और हमने लास्ट वीडियो में आपको पूरी चैप्टर को एक्सप्लेन किया था। अगर वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो अभी जाकर के देख लीजिए, लिंक हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है। सो व्हाट वी विल कवर द कीवर्ड्स, समरी and the practice questions. So let us start with the keywords. Locomotion. What is locomotion? The movement of a body as a whole from one place to another is locomotion. Skeleton, structure made up of bone and cartilage. Joints, the place where two bones meet. Cartilage, strong flexible tissues that cushions the bone at joints. Ligament, the tissues that joins bones together. Now let us summarize the chapter. The bones and cartilage form the skeleton of the human body. It gives the frame and shape to the body and help in movement. It protects the inner organs. The human skeleton comprises of skull, backbone, ribs, breastbones, shoulder, hip bones, and the bones of hand and legs. The bones are moved by alternate contraction and relaxation of two sets of muscles. Strong bones and light bones work together to help the bird fly. They fly by flapping their wings. Fish swim by forming loops alternately on the opposite sides. Snakes either slither on the ground by looping sideways. A large number of bones or associated muscles push the body forward. The body and legs of cockroach have hard covering, forming an outer skeleton. The muscles of the breast connected with the leg, 3 pair of the legs and 2 pair of wings help the cockroach walk and fly. Earthworms move by alternate extension and contraction of the body using muscles. Tiny bristles on the underside of the body help to grip the ground. Snails move with the help of muscular foot. यही सब पढ़ा था हमने। चलिए अब करते हैं हम एक्सरसाइज। The joints of bone help in the movement of body. A combination of bones and cartilage form the skeleton of the body. The bones at the elbow are joined by elbow में कौन सा joint है? Hinge joint. The contraction of the muscles puts the body bones during movement. Okay. Now indicate the true and false. The movement and locomotion of all animals are exactly same. False. हर movement अलग है. The cartilage are harder than bones. False. Cartilage are softer. The finger bone do not have joints. Again false. They have कौन सा joint? Comment करो नीचे. We have learnt in the last video. Fingers में कौन से joints होते हैं? The forearm has 2 bones. Is it true? Forearm means the first lower part. Yes, it is true. Cockroach have outer skeleton. Again it is true. It is an exoskeleton animal. What is ball and socket joint? The round end of the bone fits into the cavity or the hollow space of the other bone. Such joint allow movements in all directions and are known as ball and socket joint. Which of the skull bone are movable? Lower jaw. Mandible. Why can our elbow not move backwards? We cannot move backwards because it has hinge joint which only allow forth and back movement. So with this, we come to end of our revision and question answers of the class 6 chapter 9, that is bone movement. I hope आपको easy लगा होगा चैप्टर और चीजें समझ आई होंगी। अगर ऐसा है तो हमारे वीडियो को लाइक और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए।